All right, language explorers. Let's look at this week's Friday idiom. So, bearer of bad news. So, the bearer is someone that carries things. Someone that carries things is the bearer. Yeah. Carries things, the bearer of bad news. Bad news. Yeah, not good stuff. No way. Yeah. To have to tell everyone something bad or unpleasant. Ugh. Yeah. He is always the bearer of bad news. He never has anything good to talk about. Oh yeah, again the bad stuff. Oh yeah. She is always the bearer of bad news. Yeah. Why? Why are you a bearer of bad news? Do you have any good news for a change? Any good news for a change? No? Okay. I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but I heard a rumor. I don't mean to be the bearer of bad news, but I don't think that will work. Yeah, I don't think that will work. No. Yeah, bearer. B-E. Yeah, here we are, bearer. Very good. Yeah. So, they are seen as the bearer of bad news. Yeah. So sometimes when we see them, they are often the bearer of bad news. Yeah. Yeah, the bearer of bad news. Yeah, they always have bad news. Always have not good stuff to tell us. They have something bad. They have something bad to tell us. Yeah, us. Yeah, not good. Yeah. So, by being the bearer of bad news, everyone assumes that I only have negative things to talk about. Negative. Negative. Yeah, but being the bearer of bad news is important because I can then share with you important information that you need to know. Yeah, how cool is that? You need to know this stuff. You need to know this stuff. You have got to know what is happening. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Yeah. So, can you use bearer of bad news in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. Yeah. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as by searching for Adrian Nanchev on Udemy. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.